According to Acumen Research and Consulting, the global medical drone market is set to reach a revenue of USD 1,429.3 million by 2032, growing at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 20.1% from 2024 to 2032. In 2023, the North American medical drone market was valued at approximately USD 120 million. The European medical drone market is projected to grow at a CAGR of over 22% from 2024 to 2032. Among the different types, rotor drones accounted for a significant share of the market in 2023. In terms of application, the blood bank transportation segment held a notable market share in 2023. The increasing demand for efficient and rapid delivery of medical supplies, particularly in remote areas, is a key trend driving growth in the medical drone market. Medical drones are frequently used to deliver a range of essential supplies and healthcare equipment, including blood, organs, test samples, vaccines, and medications. They can also serve to transport first aid supplies during search and rescue operations and first response situations. Furthermore, drones tasked with delivering specific pharmaceuticals or biological materials, such as blood and organs, may be equipped with cooled cargo compartments to maintain their payload at critical temperatures. Some drones are fitted with automated external defibrillators, allowing them to reach patients more quickly than ambulances or other ground vehicles in urgent situations. Visit our website for more information about the medical drone market or click on the link in bio.